Have you ever wondered what it would be like to die on every planet in our solar system? Join us on a journey to witness your final terrifying moments across the distant cosmos. This trip reveals the universe's most beautiful and most deadly traps. Are you prepared to face your own ultimate, inevitable demise? Your first perilous stop is the hellscape planet, Venus. Without a suit, death here would be truly instantaneous. The atmosphere would crush you in just a few seconds. So, for this thought experiment, we'll grant you a highly advanced protective suit designed to withstand immense heat and crushing surface pressure. Venus is the hottest planet in the entire solar system. Its dense, toxic atmosphere traps the sun's unbearable heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Poisonous sulfuric acid in the clouds constantly attacks your technologically advanced suit. It's a battle of technology against nature, and nature is winning. Your critical cooling system is the very first to fail. Your internal body temperature begins to rise uncontrollably. You quickly lose consciousness from the intense, sweltering heat. The suit, weakened by the constant, unrelenting acidic assault, finally cracks under the immense pressure. You survived on this hellish world for only 20 minutes. Next stop, Mercury, the sun's closest planetary neighbor. Your survival here completely depends on choosing either the light side or the dark side. There is no real atmosphere to regulate its extreme temperatures. You bravely choose to step onto the sun-facing side. From here, the sun appears 3 times larger than it does from Earth. It shines with a truly blinding, brilliant, white intensity. Temperatures soar to unbearable, searing new heights. The sheer amount of radiation overwhelms your suits, electronic defense, and protection systems. Your vital internal organs receive a completely fatal radiation dose. You fall unconscious, down onto the fatally scorched, barren ground. You only lasted for a brief, fleeting 15 minutes. Perhaps Mars will offer a much gentler fate. You land your ship near the Curiosity rover's historic location. The landscape feels both deeply alien and strangely familiar. A pale, faded orange sky hangs silently high above you. Summer temperatures on the equator feel surprisingly comfortable. The lower gravity makes every single step feel incredibly light and bouncy. But don't let this fool you. Deadly radiation permeates this entire silent, waiting red world. Mars has no strong magnetic field to offer any protection. Your special suit shields you for a few precious hours, but its power is finite. With your oxygen supply running low, you must return to the ship. Congratulations, you have survived your very first hostile alien planet. But don't start celebrating your fleeting victory just yet. The great gas giant Jupiter awaits your imminent, grand arrival. Surviving the difficult journey is a massive challenge in itself. Its powerful radiation belts are unimaginably strong and deadly. Your ship's thick titanium hull barely protects your fragile body from the onslaught. You now bravely jump into the swirling, violent atmosphere. You first fall through the freezing, thick clouds of ammonia ice. Catastrophic winds, hundreds of miles per hour, toss your helpless body all around wildly. Giant, powerful lightning bolts, far stronger than any on Earth, flash brightly all around your suit. As you fall deeper, the pressure and heat relentlessly continue to build. Your terrifying journey ends in a mere 3 short minutes, as you are crushed and incinerated. Another vast gas giant now looms silently before your eyes. Saturn, a world famous for its beautiful and magnificent rings. You plunge deep into its upper, mysterious, atmospheric layer. Hurricane force winds here exceed any powerful storm back on Earth, whipping you around mercilessly. The extreme, bitter cold completely and instantly freezes your suit solid. All your essential electronic systems begin to totally fail. You are surrounded on all sides by complete, total darkness. The sun's light cannot penetrate to this great depth. The growing, immense pressure starts to deform your fragile, frozen suit. You have lasted 5 minutes in Saturn's inescapable, crushing grip. We will now visit Saturn's very largest moon, Titan. A solid, firm surface is a very welcome, pleasant change after the gas giants. A thick, dense, yellowish haze limits your forward vision, creating an eerie, mysterious landscape. You soon discover a small, strange lake of liquid methane, a truly alien sight. You explore this fascinating world for over 1 hour. But the intense, deep cold relentlessly seeps through your suit's protection. Your thermal regulation systems can no longer function properly or safely. Hypothermia slowly begins to claim your fading, weak consciousness. You fall down hard onto the icy, unforgiving, alien surface, never to get up again. Uranus is next. It's the coldest, most frigid planet of them all. This is another long, terrifying fall into a deep gas giant. As you descend into its blue-green atmosphere, extreme violent winds rip you and your suit apart almost instantly. You will not last for even 5 seconds on Uranus. It's a swift, brutal end. Next is the distant, beautiful, blue, and remote planet Neptune. From afar, it appears quite peaceful, but it is a total nightmare. It has the strongest winds in the whole solar system, reaching supersonic speeds. Your brief stay on Neptune is incredibly and terrifyingly short. 2 minutes of freefall into this violent, churning atmosphere will surely and guaranteed be the end of you. Our final destination is the small dwarf planet named Pluto. You will need a powerful flashlight to see in the endless darkness. From here, the sun is just a very distant and very bright star, offering little light and no warmth. The gravity is incredibly low, making your every movement extremely easy and floaty. The temperature here is now unimaginably and brutally cold. It is a frozen, silent desert of nitrogenized hills and methane snow valleys. The extreme, biting cold quickly makes your protective suit brittle, like glass. A sudden system failure due to the cold means your instant and very final death. Your final journey lasted for only a brief 8 minutes. You have now died across the entire vast solar system. Each planet presented a unique and terrifying death trap, all requiring their own form of special, advanced protection. Venus crushed you with its immense atmospheric pressure. Mercury burned you with its unfiltered raw sunlight. Mars irradiated your body slowly over the course of hours. Jupiter's powerful winds tore your very fragile body apart. Saturn froze and then crushed your suit. Titan's deep cold seeped slowly into your weary bones. Uranus offered a swift and mercifully quick demise. Neptune's violent storms ended your journey very, very quickly. And Pluto's harsh, deep cold delivered the final killing blow. This journey through our cosmic neighborhood shows just how precious and rare our own planet is. Perhaps, for now, humanity should just decide to stay home on Earth. Thanks for joining us on this deadly tour of the solar system. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.